This is going so badly. So, let's get started. Hey, what's up guys? It's Jasmine. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing another what I bought this week video. I have been buying a lot of stuff recently, so these videos are definitely going to be pretty consistent. I also have a swimsuit video coming soon, as soon as I get those bathing suits, and also a lookbook where I'm working with a brand, so definitely make sure that you subscribe if you want to see those videos. So starting off with the first item that I got, I actually purchased this from Marshall's for $10, and these kind of value anywhere between like $20 to $50 depending on how well they're made and like what brand, but it is a macrame planter hanging thing. Well, I don't know what that's called. Like, I don't know how to put that into words correctly, I guess. But anyway, so I got it from Marshall's and I think it's super cute. I don't really have a place to hang it from my ceiling quite yet, so it's just hanging on my curtains, but I didn't have a plant to put it in it or a pot that actually fit inside of it. So as of right now, it's just got an empty paint can and some like fake vines that I got from Hobby Lobby. So that's the other item that I have, is the vines that are coming out of there. If you go to Hobby Lobby, you can seriously buy like little knickknack stuff that are so inexpensive. Those were like $8, I think. But the next piece that I got from Hobby Lobby was this pillow, and I really like this style. Similar to this one that I got off of Amazon. And I like the colors of this a whole lot better than I do this one, so I probably won't be using this Hobby Lobby one very often, but I definitely can use it for like product shots and things like that. So I do really like it, and it was only $5 on clearance, so I can't even complain. So moving on to the next item, this is from a brand that I've worked with in the past a few times. They send me monthly bracelets. So it's by this brand. It's called Uvani Rocks. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'll have it up on the screen so you guys can see how it's spelled. And I'll also have it linked down below if you guys want to check it out. But it's basically kind of like the Pura Vida bracelets that everybody wears. It's like literally the exact same thing. It's just not the same brand. So if you guys want to check it out, it's down below. The next item that I got is actually inspired by Free People. I have a little thing that you guys can see what it looks like. This was the whole idea behind it. I've been dying for this set for so long. As soon as it became like a new release, I was like, I need this. And I just couldn't bring myself to pay that much money for that set. And Free People's so expensive if you buy there like frequently. I buy everything off my PayPal credit card because it's so expensive. I can just like pay it off. But I got this shirt from Old Navy, and I don't even know, there's gonna be like this picture over here, and I don't know if these are even similar, but it's still like white and striped yellow, and white and yellow striped, and I think it looks so cute. This is actually like a full size like slouchy shirt, and I just like cropped it. Moving on to the next item, I have a pair of shoes. I've been so obsessed with like the bulky sneaker trend recently, but I don't think it's gonna last all that long. So I went to Marty and Liz. Basically it's just like a discount store for shoes, like designer shoes even, and so I got they're so ugly. Oh my god, I'm like so embarrassed. Like, it's just me and my camera in my room, and I'm like embarrassed right now to be like showing these. But I think that they're so cool. They're like super chunky, and like they're just really basic. They've got like some blue detailing on them, but I don't know, I think they're super cute, and they were only 20 bucks, so it's really not like I'm losing out. And I think that they'll be super cute with like some sort of like dress. I'll like insert some photos of like what I'm talking about. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to check out my past what I bought this week's video, I have those linked down below as well as at the end of the video. So I will see you in next week's video, I guess. Bye. Shoot.
We're going under, and there's nothing we can do. The final hour before we let it go to rest.